Alright, here is how to create your AI picture through your Palmpay app. If you don't have the app, just go to Play Store and download, and if you have the app, make sure the app is updated. As you can see, my own is updated too. So just click on open. You see AI avatar here, just click on the AI avatar. Now you'll be given 5 this place that is showing 3, it should be showing 5 because you can only do for 5 pictures per day. So I've did for 2 already. All this one should fail. So let me try another one for you guys to see. Alright, so let me just do this one for us, for you to just see. Choose your photo, continue. So let me just select any picture from the album. Then click on this mic icon, this mark here, click on it. So after clicking on it, it's going to show all this process here. Just wait for your, you can see done. As you can see, this is the AI avatar. Just click on download, then go to your file manager or your gallery to go and check it out. Wow, you can see here is the picture. So that is all about how to create your AI through your Palmpay app. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys.